Want to create incredible royalty-free music using AI like this?
In the digital realm, a quest begins. Quest navigators where knowledge wins tutorials and tools daily.
Craft a music video effortlessly even if you have zero editing skills? And guess what? It won't cost you a dime. Keep watching until the end, I've got a secret bonus tip for you. So AI, you ready? Let's get started. The first tool we're using is the beloved ChatGPT, our favorite for crafting lyrics. If you're not a poet, musician, or super creative, ChatGPT is your secret weapon. Now, we'll ask ChatGPT to write lyrics for a song that describes our YouTube channel. To introduce it to you and show you what it's all about. Plus, we'll give you a glimpse of what's coming in future videos if you like this one and decide to subscribe. So, without any more delay, let's set the prompt and see what AI can do. I don't know what you think, but I believe ChatGPT did a great job.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Now that we have our lyrics, let's move on to the next step. To turn our text into a song, we're going to use a free AI that I think does a good job. It's called Voicemod, and it's an AI that changes voices, transforms text into song and lots of other stuff. To create our song, we click on Text to Song, then Generate Song Free. Here we have a list of melodies in different musical genres, such as urban, EDM, pop and others like Christmas. You can listen to the melodies before choosing the one you like. I find that the list doesn't offer much choice, but remember that it's free, that it's early days and that it's going to get a lot better in the future. For our song, I'll choose the first music and we'll click on Next. Here we have a list of singers, the AI voices proposed by Voicemod. You can also listen to them before choosing your favorite singer.
La 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 la. Holy moly, holy.
The list also shows the characteristics of each singer. I will choose ED and click on Next. Now we need to insert our lyrics here. As you can see, the number of characters is very limited, so we'll copy and paste the lyrics verse by verse. To avoid having a very long song, we'll create a song with 2 verses and the chorus only, and we'll choose the voice of Amy for the second verse to show you what it sounds like. Without further ado, let's generate our first verse. We'll call the song AI Quest Navigators and the artist will of course be ChatGPT.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. And here we go, click on Create Song. And here's our first part of the song. Here you can export the whole song or just the voice, if you want to compose your own melody. Let's have a listen.
Quest begins. Quest navigators where knowledge wins tutorials and tools daily. Hear the sharing knocking. My secrets with expertise so rare.
That is amazing. Let's download our MP3 file here. I'll repeat the same process for the rest. And without further ado, we'll move on to the second tool. The second tool we're going to look at today is Suno AI. It's a tool that works in the same way but is, in my opinion, more sophisticated. It works in much the same way as Midjourney, because it's linked to a Discord server. Click on Join the Beta on Discord and get started. You'll need a Discord account, which is free and easy to create. Once you've created your Discord account, you'll be taken to this page, where you'll find lots of data, including data from other Suno users. To set up your own private Suno channel on Discord, click on the Suno bot and send a message. Here we're going to use the /chirp command to generate a song using text. Then accept the terms of services. Then this menu appears on the screen. Here you must describe the type of music you wish to create. In our case, I'm going to choose EDM to see what it sounds like, even if the lyrics are a little complicated. Here you can either enter your own lyrics or describe your song, and ChatGPT will automatically generate lyrics for you, but we've already done that. The great thing about Suno is that you can enter up to 750 characters. Without further ado, we enter our lyrics and click on send. And voila! Suno always gives 2 versions. Let's have a listen.
In the digital realm, a quest begins. I quest navigators where knowledge wins, tutorials and tools they here to share, unlocking AI secrets with expertise so rare. Quest navigators guiding us through the world of AI, so vast and true, from daily life impacts to creative heights. They illuminate the path with AI's endless light. From algorithms to data's artful dance, they delve into the world of ice advance. Our economy, our world, it all unfolds with insights and stories yet untold. From algorithms to data. In the digital realm, a quest begins. And quest navigators where knowledge wins, tutorials and tools they're here to share, unlocking AI secrets with expertise so rare. Rare. In the digital realm, a quest begins. And quest navigators where knowledge wins, tutorials and tools.
On the second, there was a bug. It repeats the first verse. Never mind, we'll choose the first one. Here you can continue your creations by adding more lyrics, and Suno will combine them with the first, but in our case we already have what we need. We upload our video. Then convert it to MP3 format to get audio. There's just one flaw, the song ends aggressively at the end, and to fix that problem I'm taking you with me into my own little world that I love. Don't worry, this isn't an editing tutorial, and I'll do my best to do it as quickly as possible, without making it perfect, because the aim is simply to show you these IA tools and not to create a flawless rendering. And so, after a few minutes work, here are our 2 songs.
In the digital realm, a quest begins. I quest navigators where knowledge wins, tutorials and tools they here to share, unlocking AI secrets with expertise so rare. Quest navigators guiding us through the world of AI, so vast and true, from daily life impacts to creative heights. They illuminate the path with AI's endless light.
In the digital realm, a quest begins. Quest navigators where knowledge wins, tutorials and tools they here to share, unlocking my secrets with expertise so rare. Quest navigators guiding us through the world of a soul that stand true, from daily life impacts to creative heights. They illuminate the path with eyes, endless lights.
From algorithms to data's artful dance, they delve into the world of ice advance. Our economy, our world, it all unfolds with insights, the stories yet untold.
Quest navigators guiding us through the world of a soul that stand true, from daily life impacts to creative heights. They illuminate the path with eyes, endless lights.
Now we have to create music videos for these songs, and to do that we're going to call on this technology that surprises some people and scares others. The gift I promised you at the beginning is getting closer and closer. Stay tuned until the end. The first tool we're going to use to create the video is Plazma, an AI that creates videos from text, particularly song lyrics. Plazma offers different subscriptions, a free version, which we're going to use today, and a paid version. The free version includes all these features. To use it, click on Create an account. You can register with Google, Microsoft, or even Discord. Once you've created your account, you'll be redirected to this page. Here you'll find your ions, which are free after you register. 60 ions to start with. It's not much, before it was a lot more, but we'll try to create a video with it. Here you have default music templates. You can also either record your music directly or upload an MP3 file here. We're going to upload the first music we created on Voicemod. Here you need to choose the part you want the AI to generate a video for. We'll choose the whole clip or a little less to save our ions. You can listen to the selection here.
In the digital realm, the quest begins. Quest navigators wear knowledge.
The video will be 0.42 seconds long and will cost us around 41 ions. Click on Next. Here we need to choose the image generation tool for our video. We have Stable Diffusion and Kandinsky 2.1 for the free version and Stable Diffusion XL and Kandinsky 2.2 if we choose to pay ions. We'll choose Stable Diffusion. Here we have the aspect ratio, 4:3 is the free option. Normally, for a YouTube video, 16:9 is the right ratio, but it doesn't matter, we'll always choose the free version. Here we have the remove watermark option and the super resolution option, both of which are not free, so we won't choose them. Here you can choose an image with which the AI will begin its work, but we'll leave the work to the AI from A to Z. And finally, here you have the camera settings, which you can choose according to your music and the style of video you want. We're going to leave it at default. Then click on Next. The last step is to choose the theme of the video. You have several choices here, photorealistic, surreal, colorful, but as long as our song is about AI and futurism, we'll choose something with sci-fi, we'll go with that one. This is the final step before generating the video, and we can either select this video was about the song lyrics or give a description to the AI to generate a video. We'll choose the first option. The cut between the scenes option is checked by default, so we'll leave it unchecked. We can always improve the prompt given to the AI for a few ions, but we keep our promise, we'll do it all for free. The result may be average, but that's the point of the video, to show what the AI can do if you only choose the free version. And finally, we click on Generate Video. And here's our generated video.
Digital realm, the quest begins. Quest navigators wear knowledge. Wins tutorials and tools then. Here to share and locking. Hide secrets with expertise so rare. Quest navigators guiding us through the world of a soul that stand. Truth from daily life impacts to creative and state. Illuminate the path with eyes in the slides.
From the rhythms, the data, the boldness, they delve into the world of ice at best. Our economy, our world, it all unfolds with a zest. The stories yet untold.
I don't know about you, but I honestly think it's pretty good compared to the very, very basic options we chose. If you're thinking, can we do better? I'd say yes, of course. And that's the little bonus I promised you at the start of this video. I've seen that a lot of people are interested in AI-generated animation, especially SpongeBob animation. So I'm going to use an AI that generates animations to create a video clip for our song with SpongeBob being the main actor. I'm going to make it as simple as possible, as quickly as possible with a super powerful, totally free tool that I think is extraordinary. It's Pika Lab, a tool that creates videos from text and is super useful for creating animations, anime, videos, and lots of other stuff. This is not a Pika Lab tuto, and in fact, if you'd like a full tuto explaining in detail all the features of this AI, tell me in the comments and I'll do it for you. Without further ado, I'll show you a little of Pika Lab and then show you the animations I quickly created with this AI. Like Midjourney and other AIs, Pika Lab is linked to Discord, so you need to create an account and join the server. Here we have the user creations, and we're going to do the same to create a music video for our song, which we're going to edit on DaVinci Resolve, adding a few cuts and transitions as quickly as possible. Are you ready? Let's go! So here's our final rendering of our song.
In the digital realm, a quest begins. Quest navigators wear knowledge. Wins tutorials and tools they here to share and lock in. analyze secrets with expertise so rare.
I don't know what you think. Let me know in the comments. I really used very basic prompts to keep things moving quickly and to show you what Pika Labs can do. To recap, we saw how to generate a song with AI for free using ChatGPT to generate lyrics. Then we saw 2 free text-to-song AIs, which are Voicemod and Suno. We then created a video clip with Plazma with the least amount of resources, then used Pika Lab to generate animations that we edited slightly. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I invite you to try out these tools and share your creations with us at our email address. We'll feature the 3 best creations in our next videos. Like this video and subscribe to the channel to support us and help us improve our content, and tell us in the comments which video you'd like to see next on our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.